Good afternoon, Madam Chairman, Honorable Ministers, ladies and gentlemen. This is my great privilege to present briefly on the Myanmar response to multiple drug-resistant and extensive drug-resistant TB in this very important ministerial meeting of high MDR, HDR burden countries. TB is one of the important causes of human death, suffering, and poverty. Tuberculosis is one of the major public health problems in Myanmar and considered as the priority disease in the National Health Plan 2006 to 2011. Recent estimates suggest that 1.5% of the population began infected with TB every year, out of which about 140,000 people progress to develop TB. TB mainly affects the most protected age group of 15 to 54 years, and multiple drug-resistant TB among the new and previously treated TB cases are 4% and 15.5% according to the nationwide drug resistance survey. That is done in 2002 to 2003 and 4.2% and 10% in 2007 and 2008 respectively. Stop TB strategies have been implemented since 2006 and thus gradually expand and cover the whole country since the end of 2003. Myanmar achieved the global TB control targets in 2006 by CDR 86% and TSR 85%. CDR was 89% and TSR was 85% in 2007. NTP maintained the current achievement with a strong collaboration with implementing partners. To sustain and surpass these achievements, it mainly depends on uninterrupted supplies of quality first-line anti-TB drugs. It will be hard for Myanmar to maintain the achievement of the global TB targets beyond 2009 as a result of unsecure first-line anti-TB drug after completion of Global Drug Facility Grant. As an action to secure the first-line anti-TB drug, Ministry of Health organized a one-day partner meeting for sustainability of the first-line TB drug supply in Myanmar. Many potential donors attended that meeting. It is well recognized that good TB control program helps to prevent and reverse the further development of MDR-TB. 5-year National Strategic Plan 2006 to 2010 was developed, and new 5-year National Strategic Plan 2011 to 2015 has been drafted with all partners. National Drug-Resistant TB Committee was formed in 2006 and developed the operational procedures for the DOTS Plus pilot project for the MDR-TB management. Green Light Committee approved to implement DOTS Plus pilot sites in Myanmar in April 2009. Myanmar also undertakes periodic drug resistance surveys linked with network of reference laboratory and build capacity and secure resources to pilot and then implement intervention to treat drug-resistant TB under program conditions in line with international recommendations. In conclusion, Myanmar took timely action for prevention and control of MDR-TB and would like to highlight the importance of uninterrupted supplies of the first-line anti-TB drugs as a primary prevention. Thank you for your attention.